Morning, tubers. 7 o'clock in the morning, time for some breakfast. Some shana pokala come in, and a chocolate. I'm ordering some breakfast in a minute. But I think there's about 25 of us just about to descend on this poor girl and breakfast. So we'll see how that goes.
It's also my qualifying right, so please be gentle, please be kind. Say no more than that, because I don't really want to make it about me doing my qualifying. It's more about why we're here today. That's more important. It's about when we get there. It's about remembering those who gave up everything for us. So, this ride today will be broken down into two parts. This is part one, which will go from here, and we'll be either on the main road there, turning right, and then heading up towards Wargrave through into Henley. Now, when we get into Henley, there's a bit of not a tricky junction, but you can either go left or right. We're going to be going right at the set of traffic lights. I'll try and drop someone if I can, but it tends to be a little bit busy, but I'll try and drop someone there. And then it's going to be a pretty steady, straightforward ride. If I don't drop anyone at first, a roundabout at the beginning, to just take it to chance to go straight on, and that's it. When we're talking about drops, is there anyone here who's never done second man drop? So, thanks, Gary. Excellent. So, just to reiterate, when I do second man drop, I will clearly put my hand up in the air, point to either left or right, point to the ground. If for some reason, anyone on a trike? Okay, perfect. I've got no problem with trikes. If, for instance, I'm supposed to drop you and you don't feel safe for yourself, please just indicate to the right behind you, that you want me to drop you. And also, when I do drop you, just make sure that you wait for the last man, which is Duncan, and he will be riding Ghost, which is a grey Road King. Road Glide. I was going to say quick.
He's put his camouflage.
Yes. And also, we have Gary, who is got the parcel and off the vehicles as well, and then helping out. So, they do that there. So, please, if you've been dropped off, do not leave that spot until you've been picked up by Duncan. What else? There'll be a second brief given at H Cafe when we get there. And when we get to H Cafe, okay, you've literally got like 5-10 minutes to go in, empty your bladders, okay? Don't be going in ordering brews and pasties and what have you. We haven't got time for that. And we'll do another brief, and then we'll make our way to Stanton. Okay, you are deemed to be in control and responsible for your vehicle and you're riding at all times, irrespective of any guidance or instruction from any member of the road crew. You must at all times ride within the law and obey the road traffic regulations. Has anyone got any questions? Yes. So, I'm hoping about 50 minutes. And just for the next part, it shouldn't take longer than that, I think. So, anyone else got a question?
Another question. So when we all get on the bikes, can we form up on this road, the exit road over here? Then before we go, Gary and I will go out and stop the traffic. And I'm not basically we're going through this number of bikes. So for everybody to turn right so we can all go out in one big block. So once you've got yourself ready, form up on the exit road over there and we'll go from there.
And just one last point for me. Thank you ever so much for everyone who's come today. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Right, we are at HOG Cafe in Oxford. We have everybody all ready and waiting. So we're going to sit here for 10 minutes and then we're off to Stanton Harcourt for the church. So I think they're just opening the cafe as well, so they're not going to be overrun much.
In Flanders fields the poppies blow between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky the larks still bravely singing fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead. Short days ago we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved. And now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe. To you from failing hands we throw the torch. Be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders fields.